Hello, my name is Dr. Lynette Modoni, and I'm the program convener for the Diploma of Criminology and Criminal Justice. The Diploma of Criminology and Criminal Justice is an exciting opportunity to undertake your first year of the Bachelor of Criminology and Criminal Justice within a supportive environment with a lot of hands-on assistance from your teachers. Once you complete the diploma, you will earn 80 credit points, which allow you to then transfer into the university and be eligible to begin your second year over at Griffith University. Some of the courses you will undertake on this program include an introduction to criminology and criminal justice, an introduction to the legal and government system of Australia in a subject called law, crime and justice. You also undertake social problems, inequality and injustices. And you'll also undertake a course called homicide, which is delivered by a practicing homicide detective, which is very exciting for you. We've got an exceptional teaching team who've got subject matter knowledge and also bring a wealth of professional experience into the classroom. The advantage that this offers you is that you not only get content expertise, but you also get real-world experience brought into the classroom. At Griffith College, you have the advantage of having smaller classes, which avail you the opportunity to get hands-on learning assistance from your teachers. It's also an opportunity for you to interact with your fellow students because this will be your future professional colleagues. Criminology is a very versatile discipline and it allows you opportunities to pursue a variety of professional avenues. These include being a law enforcement agent, either at the state level, at the federal level, and even at the international level. You can also pursue a career as a corrections officer, as a border force officer, go into research, or work in emerging areas of crime, including cybersecurity. The college offers exceptional support services to all our students. You have access to student learning advisors who can help you manage your academic load and also help you get on top of your assessments. You also have access to counselors who will help you navigate the challenges of life. Your teachers and myself are always at hand to assist you with anything you might need to successfully complete your program. I am really excited for you as you undertake the journey towards beginning your diploma program. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you need any support, and I look forward to welcoming you on campus.